how to password protect a PDF file without Acrobat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a password to a PDF file without Adobe Acrobat. So you don't need to download any software for this or upload your PDF to any servers. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to add a password to a PDF, we're going to be using a website that I created called pdfgadget.com. Now I created pdfgadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to any server. So all these tools on this website work directly in the browser on your device. That includes iPhones, Android phones, Windows computers, Macs, anything like that. So everything is very private and never sent to a server. Check the link in the description, but once you get to pdfgadget.com, in the menu here, find Password Protect PDF. And then all we need to do is scroll down and you can either drag your PDF files here or click it and browse on your device. I'm just going to drag the file into the drop area here. It'll then show you the name of the PDF and its size. After that, we just need to set a password. And as you can see down here, this isn't just adding a password, it's going to fully encrypt your PDF file with AES 256. So once you're ready and you've entered your password, go ahead and select Protect PDF. It's going to process it. And then all you need to do is select Download Protected PDF. Once you select it, it'll either prompt you to save it or it'll open it up like this. And as you can see, it's telling me I need to enter the password before I can open up this PDF file. So I'm just going to enter the password real quick, select OK. And as you can see, I can now view the PDF file. Now, one more thing, if you want to be able to verify that your PDF file is actually encrypted, on the page here where it said download protected PDF, under that, you'll see verify your PDF's security. So select that. And we have a PDF security checker. So you can drop a PDF file here, and then it will tell you if that PDF file is encrypted or just password protected. So I'm going to put the one that I just protected in here. And as you can see, it's going to give me a full report. This is a protected PDF. It has the maximum level of encryption. So now I can feel safe sharing this protected PDF, knowing that it is encrypted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.